If you're tired of paying high prices for snacks at the movies and actually want to save some money, try the following. So every year I buy 2 loyalty cups so I get cheap drink refills every time I go to the movies. Not only that, but I stash some snacks inside one cup and cover it with the other cup. I'll usually walk into the movies like so, and I'll avoid paying for crazy expensive snacks at the movie theater. Get a tissue box such as this Kleenex one, open it up and remove all the contents. Inside we can put our favorite snacks like a can of soda, candy, chips, and more candy. Now we can cover it up with some tissue we removed. Adjust it so the Kleenex box works normal, and if someone asks, just tell them that you are prepared to cry during the sad scenes of the movie you'll be watching. You can easily get away with it and save at least $10 on snacks. Here's how you can sneak some dollar store candy into the movies. Just stash it into your cap and then simply just put that on your head. Just don't overfill it to the point where it might be noticeable. For more ways to be cheap, don't forget to follow me.